We're gonna learn together, chat, or get a refresher. Style. Is it style? I think it's CSS style tag. Style blur. There we go. Oh, you can. Oh, it's like that's a property inside tags. There's one where style. Style equal to, and then any CSS written in here. So you can do color red. Suppose that'll work, and that'll turn the text to red. Big gamers gaming. That's really all you gotta say. Then, so we have a web server up and running to listen to requests. Now, I'm just gonna use this GET request as a keep alive request, just to verify that the server is alive. So instead of that, I'm gonna send back like still gaming. I'm not gonna remember that code, but it's fine. So because we are in the browser, every request you make is a GET request. And then, but we want to have a post request. They are really just semantics, the different names, but they're supposed to do different things. So a GET request is, you know, in your browser, you say, I want to get this. But what if you want to update something on the server? Like, what if there's a variable, you fucking want to, I don't know, let x equal gaming. I don't know. You want to update that. The idea is to use a post request to update things on the server. So we will be making a post request dot post instead, and then we'll do the endpoint slash I don't know, what is the name for the endpoint, chat? It's up to you. You fucking do it. Bing zap. Haha, brr. Wow, yeah, can't read it that fast. You know what? We're gonna do brr with 3 R's. 3 R's brr. And then let's get our callback in there, request, and response, and then put that into a nice little name. And in here, we can put, we're gonna do some stuff first, but it's good to write back a 200 error code, or a 200, not error code, a 200 status code, just to show that the request processed properly. And instead, I'm actually gonna say, haha, brr, just for funsies. But you notice that you won't be able to call this. You'll still be able to get, oh no, it's not running, so you're not gonna get anything. You still get still gaming. But if we try to go to /brr/brrr, you cannot get on a post request. If we change this to a GET request and refresh the page, then brr, but your web browser makes GET requests. So, man, change back to post. Brr, and like I said, we'll send back a 200 status code. And you can change what endpoints you want. So, say you wanted /bing.com or /bing.com is a different story, but say /bing. /bing. You can say that. It's nice. You can just define any endpoint you want. We're going to keep that as just the base endpoint so that we don't have to write anything extra. Oh, gotta refresh. Yeah, still gaming. And for the post request, this is where we're going to be doing all of our process electrocution. Process. Oh, fuck it, leave it. Ha, C#. This is not C#, this is node.js. What theme am I using? I think I'm using... I want to say like... Oh, material theme. Yes. Fucking great theme. In here, so... Hey. Oh, jeez. Buddy.
Can't see anything.
Yeah, fuck. What the fuck? I think
It's
my...
a face mask. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's like a Michael Myers kind of vibe type beat.
You're so cute.
You look pretty cute in that. I like the mask.
What are you teaching now?
I'm teaching web servers.
No, that sounds so interesting.
What? Oh, Lily, are you leaving?
I'm gonna go play a game with TFT.
Motherfucker.
Unless you wanna play a game with TFT with me.
I'm good. I will lose that.
You sure? You can stream it now too.
That's true. But it's gonna feel like that Valorant game where we just lost a lot. I've never been 0 in... I don't think I've ever been 0 in 13 in Valorant.
Yeah, that was pretty sad.
Yeah.
We suck.
We did a lot better in the second game.
Look at you streaming. Keep going. Keep teaching them.
Thanks, Lily. Is there anything you want to know?
Yeah. What's your favorite color?
That's a nice color.
That one?
Yeah, it's like a orange. Damn, fuck, if I had to pick one on the screen, it's that one.
What's your blood type?
I don't know.
How much do you weigh?
Ooh, I don't know. Maybe like 120, 130?
120?
130, probably 130.
120.
Probably 130?
How tall are you?
Oh, like 5'3".
No, you're not 5'3". You're 5'3" and a half. You're the same as me.
Lily, we're both short. You're
5'3" and a
Lily,
half.
you're 5'3".
5'3" and a half.
Look, I know you want to feel like you're taller, but you need to come to accept
5'3" and 5'3" and a half are completely
it.
different.
Lily, our people need to come to come to terms with being short.
5'3" and a half.
You need to come to terms with it, okay?
Half inch means a lot.
Sure, context matters. Oh yeah, code go brr. Is there anyone who wants to know what I'm doing or have any questions? Cause fuck if I'm not just gonna keep going.
Ooh, are you gonna do anything with your bot?
I don't know what that would.
So, can I just say, when you stream, right?
Yep.
You automatically save your broadcast.
Yeah,
right?
I'm aware of
But
this.
it's saved for an X amount of time, right? Are you
Oh.
gonna do anything with your Twitch VOD?
Why would I do any? Probably not.
Probably not, right?
Probably
So
not.
I have a proposition for you.
Okay.
Do you want a channel where your Twitch VODs can live on indefinitely and safely for your fans to watch at a later time and date?
Like what kind of page?
Just like a VOD channel, you know,
Like a
someone
YouTube
uploads
video?
Your entire VOD on YouTube for other people to watch.
Maybe
I
per
think a lot of
slaps.
fans would appreciate that, huh?
Oh, you're really reading off the chat, huh?
No. I'm pretty sure a lot of fans would appreciate it, right? Am I right, guys? Can I get a pog?
You can see the phone.
No, people would like it because like your Twitch VODs don't save a lot, and if you save it on YouTube, people can revisit it again. And the YouTube player is a little bit, I think, better than the Twitch player.
I agree. Yeah,
right?
yeah, for sure.
So, and you can save it, and get this, you can monetize it.
Fuck.
A 6-hour VOD that is monetized. Are you seeing the potential?
It'd be nice, like if I like am doing coding stuff to go back.
Yeah,
Per slaps.
Just saving all your VODs.
I'll think about it. I'll think about it.
A Michael Reeves
fucking
Twitch
consider.
VOD channel on YouTube.
I'll consider
Get
such a
this,
thing.
Get this. You're a busy man. You don't have time to deal with another YouTube channel. You can barely upload on your own, right?
Okay.
So like, what if? Hear me out. What if you got someone else to do it for you, and all they take is a measly little cut? What are you doing?
Do you want it to be you?
No, I'm just wondering.
Oh, okay. I was about to put the headphones on and play music really loud.
Yes, I want to be me.
Fuck, that's ruthless.
Ruthless.
Ruthless.